Hey everyone, Oliver Marzinski from StayFi here, and today we're doing a quick demo of the system. So as you probably know, StayFi is a tool for helping you collect all of your guest information so that you can try to drive more repeat direct bookings in the future. Then we also do a lot on the Wi-Fi management side, which we'll go over here today. So the core part of the product here is going to be the splash pages. So when guests go to log into your Wi-Fi network, the first thing they'll see is going to be this branded splash page that welcomes them to your property and also collects all of their information here. So this is a great way to introduce them to your brand so they know they're staying with you as a property management company and not the OTA they booked with like Airbnb or Vrbo. And then of course, it's a way to collect all that information so you can stay in touch here. So with these splash pages, you can customize everything here, where by default we collect first name, last name, and email, but you can add additional fields like phone number, password, or a marketing consent box here. You can also specify a redirect URL so that when guests first connect to the Wi-Fi, you choose what the first page is after they click connect here. So that's a great way of cementing your brand in their minds by showing them your direct booking site or by providing some information that can be helpful to them, like your digital house guide, a PDF of house instructions, or anything else you may have here. And again, these are fully customizable, so you can change the logos, change the background, change any of the text. Super easy to set up, and you can either use one for all properties or use an individual splash page for each of your homes that you're managing here. Now, when we collect the information here, it'll all feed into the guest list where it can be downloaded as a CSV. We'll also validate every single email that's submitted through a third-party system called Zero Bounce. So you have that knowledge that, hey, all of these are validated emails when you go to market to them. We also integrate with most of the top email marketing tools along with PMSs and CRMs. So you can take that data, it'll be sent over to whatever tool you're using in real time, and you can have those marketing campaigns running to automatically send emails to any guests who connect to the Wi-Fi here. In addition, we also offer text marketing in StayFi. So if you turn on text marketing here on the left, you can automatically have campaigns like welcome campaigns, a review campaign, send group texts. So just ways of sending more messages to guests. Text marketing, you can do it directly through the platform here. Email marketing, you do need to integrate a separate platform through the integrations. Now, to get all of this to work, how it works is you would purchase an access point, which plugs directly into the router that's already at your property. Now, this access point will broadcast a brand new guest network within the home, which will have that splash page there when guests go to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now, having a guest network also has some additional advantages here. So for example, you'll be able to see all of the devices which are currently connected at each of your homes and monitor all of the speeds that each device is getting. You'll also be able to set occupancy alerts for each of your properties. So if you have a maximum occupancy threshold where you only take, let's say, a maximum of 12 guests in the property, if we see that more than 12 unique guests are ever logged in at the same property, we'll send you an email here. You can also track the uptime of all of your access points on the access points page here, where you'll be able to see which access points are connected. If any access points are offline, they'll show up as a little red tab right here. So you know whether it's the guest who's having issues connecting to the Wi-Fi or whether the Wi-Fi itself is offline at the time. Finally, when we broadcast the wireless network, you'll have the same network name in each of your homes. So that just adds that brand consistency and makes everything a little bit easier on your end, where every home will have the same login instructions. So you can share that information with guests and you never have to worry about that network name being reset or anything here. Awesome. If you have any questions about StayFi, definitely reach out to support@stayfi.com. We're always happy to help. If you have any questions about what hardware to purchase, any of the implementation, let us know and we'll help you out with that. Thanks so much.